Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share with you 5 tips and tricks that I use on a pretty much everyday basis. The first tip I want to share with you is that I rarely buy already pre-made pillows. I usually buy pillowcases and I already have a couple of pillow forms. And why do I do that? First of all, because pillowcases are very easy to wash. You just take them out, throw them in a washer and dryer, and they're clean. Second reason is when it comes to different type of seasons and you want to decorate your house, like over here you see my Easter pillow, I simply can just put it on an existing pillow and I'm done. When it comes to storing, it is very easier to store pillowcase than the whole pillow or bunch of pillows that we have around the house. Another tip that I wanted to show you when it comes to pillows is that you don't always have to buy a pillow form. You can just use old pillow that you already own and you don't want to use anymore as a decorative piece like I did over here, and that can fill up your pillowcase. Second tip is regarding sensitive skin. Personally, I have very sensitive skin and I cannot wear any type of jewelry that is not real silver or real gold. I get inflamed. So what I learned to do is that you can take a clear nail polish and you can coat your earrings or ring or whatever you want to wear. And it's simple as that. It's not going to bother your skin and it's not going to cause a rash. I bet you all had this happen to you at least once. You spilled your candle wax on your countertops or any other surface. Over here, it spilled on my quartz countertop. So what you can do is just scrape off what you can and take a dryer sheet and just rub it off. It comes off easily, it works like a charm, and nothing is left behind. I'm sure you all hate when you take out your trash out of your trash can and that smell hits you. What I learned to do is to take a dryer sheet, put the scent booster in a dryer sheet, tie it together with elastic band or any ties that you have, drop it in your trash can, and trust me, your trash can is not going to have an odor anymore. This can last for a long time. I usually replace it once a month. And another place where you can usually have bad odor is the garbage disposal. What you can do easily is take any of these citrusy fruit that you eat anyway. I'm gonna show you over here with the Halo Mandarin Orange. Take the peel, drop it in a garbage disposal and run it. It's gonna not only clean it from the inside, but it's gonna make it smell really, really good and fresh. I hope you all liked this video and I hope you learned some new tips and tricks. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and share this video. I will see you soon. Bye guys.